Hey, welcome back. This is my second post today, and on this post, I'm going to be diving into the charts for Algorand, ALGOUSD. I will be sharing with you my bearish and bullish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, please do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're giving away now 4 free stocks in step 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. But let me know what symbols you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now, we're not going to go through the overall crypto market conditions on this post because I have already gone over them on my first post today. If you guys are interested in me talking about the overall crypto market recap, you guys can check out my first video on Yearn Finance today, but I have included my overall crypto updates on that video. So dive right into Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what exactly has gone on since the last time we talked. Since the last post, I have mentioned that we were in an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and I had the neckline at about almost to about 36.5 cents, right, in that range, because that's where I can actually connect a lot of these candle wicks and get an approximate level for what a resistance was. So since we have talked last time, it did look like we had a faster breakout of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. So the right shoulder did not even play out, and the price action just broke through the neckline at about approximately 36.5 cents. Okay, now I did say that if we actually break out of this pattern, the measured targets, which may or may not be reached, but the measured target by theory is at about a little over 50 cents. Okay, so between the breakout point, which is the neckline right here, and the measured target of a little over 50 cents are these two major resistances. This Fibonacci retracement level at about 43 cents and the next Fibonacci retracement level right before 50 cents. Okay, we are seeing that this is a major resistance level because we have gone all the way up there to about 40, almost 43 cents before getting a significant pullback, and now we're right underneath that that neckline that we had just broken out of. Okay, so this is something to be mindful of and see if we're actually gonna take another stab at breaking this level again. Now let's zoom in and see what exactly is going on a lower time frame. So on a lower time frame, let's go to a 12-hour right now. On the 12-hour time frame, we can see that we are still working on getting staying above this neckline right here. So we had gone all the way up to about the 43 cents level on the last 12-hour candle, and now that did not hold, and we had a pretty significant pullback. Took us all the way back to almost as low as about 34 cents. Now we're going to see if this level, this initial breakout level, is going to hold the price action up. If it does hold up, it could take another attempt at breaking this level again, but there's something I want to note. The last high here has created a pretty high reading on the RSI, over 76 on the RSI, okay? So in order for the next attempt to breaking about 43 cents, a clean break that is, would be for the price action to break above 43 cents without bearish divergence, so creating a higher RSI reading on the 12-hour time frame. Otherwise, I could expect a very I could expect a pullback very soon after that 43 cents breakout if that does happen. Now, let's take a look into the 6-hour time frame. 6-hour time frame, this illustrates exactly what could happen on the 12-hour time frame, which we are seeing bearish divergence playing out on the 6-hour time frame right now. We had a higher high on the price action chart. However, not too long after, we are seeing a pullback already because of that signal of bearish divergence. Okay, so that is what I am looking for on the 12-hour time frame if it actually breaks above that 43 cent level. If that does happen, I could probably expect a pullback happening very soon after. So keeping an eye out on the RSI reading and see if we can actually get a higher RSI reading breaking the 43 cent level. Now, this concludes my very short evaluation of what's happening in the Algorand USD market today. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenario. Now, the bullish case scenario, well, obviously for us to break this next Fibonacci retracement level at about 43 cents and continue towards the measured target of a little over 50 cents. Now, this is going to be very major resistance, like I have been mentioning, and as well as the 50 cent level, that's also going to be pretty major resistance as well. So that is something to be keeping in mind. Now, let's take into consideration of the bearish case scenario because anything can happen at any time. I want to know when I am wrong so I can be prepared to act. Now, the bearish case scenario will obviously for us to start getting candle closes below this neckline again, so as if this breakout never happens. Okay, so let's see how many candle closes have we gotten so far below this neckline. We have gotten hourly closes below this neckline. We have not yet had a 4-hour candle close, and we are being supported by the 4-hour 21 simple moving average. If we start seeing 4-hour, 6-hour, 12-hour, and finally daily closes below this neckline again, then I would think that this breakout is going to be stalled as we would continue to run underneath this neckline, or further downward price action could be expected. But I do think the breakout is more likely and that we will continue upwards towards trying to break out of this 43 cent level. That is my prediction. Let's see if it comes true. Now, this concludes my update on Algorand ALGOUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage to risk carefully. If you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded crypto analysis videos, you guys can check them out here on my links on YouTube. I'll see you next time.